guys. Following the signing of the Electoral Act Amendment Bill 2022 into law, there have been debates regarding the methods of providing incident over voting in an election. However, a senior advocate of Nigeria, Dr. Izimyon, has made it known that the Supreme Court has settled the debate in the case between Governor Ademola Adeleke and Oyetola, according to Izimyon. The Appeals Court disclosed that only 3 things can be used to prove overvoting in an election, and they are the voters' register, the beavers report, and the form ECA8, which is a sheet used for recording results at the polling unit level. About 1 hour 55 minutes into a video shared on YouTube by Saffron TV, Izimyon said once the Supreme Court pronounces on an issue, that is the finality of that issue. So many legal issues were raised which are very fundamental to our electoral jurisprudence, particularly the 2022, when the Electoral Act was passed. There has been issues on transmission and end server. What is the implication and which one should we rely on? It is the voters' register or the end server. The Supreme Court has settled that today as a mark of finality. You need the voters' register, you need the form, the EC8A, and the beavers report. The Supreme Court said these 3 things are the trinity that can be used to prove overvoting. So they must go together. We are very happy because it has thrown more light into the electoral jurisprudence and guidance for not only lawyers and judges, but for Nigerians as well. And Nigerians have reacted, meaning Obi has no case left, so let him go and sleep. Obi has been sleeping inside the courtroom after these 3 vital proof was pronounced by the Appeals Court. Your ignorance is your problem. With the 3 components of the judgment, it means that the APC cannot escape disgrace because the message of Trinity established by the Catholic Church holds that the 3 components must agree to the truth in every issue. So with that, it means more trouble for the APC and their candidates. You don't start again, no. Leave Obi to go and reclaim his stolen mandate. He has enough evidence, okay? Which mandate are you talking about, imbecile? Okay, that is harsh. Yeah, we are not talking of overvoting, but under recording, number manipulations, millions of votes of Labour Party were ascribed to APC. These requirements are only for proving overvoting as decided by the Supreme Court. Please. Okay. Tinubu and the APC went into the election with almost 25 governors and the presidency, but still could not defeat Obi. Obi is stronger and much more powerful than all of them put together. This only concerns overvoting. Electoral malpractice can manifest through violence and rewriting results. The judges can see that too. You are right about this, but all the parties were involved in them. Which all the party, APC is second to none. People that visually carried out their threat to anybody voting for opponent parties. Why is it that we lack the truth in this country? Even if Tinubu was convicted for drug money, as alleged, the law says after 10 years he is qualified to run for any elective office, and the alleged drug money issue happened 29 years ago. As for Shettima, there was no doubt, no double nomination. The law says if he withdraws in writing to INEC and the party he represents, the first nomination will not be accounted for him. So INEC will then order the party to conduct another primary election for that position. All these were found, and in fact, the law refers to two nominations for different constituencies in the same election. Senatorial and presidential election are different from one another. These are reactions from Nigerians, and they keep on talking. APC will be finally disgraced too, and is now with this new development, because some of the place that APC won, Beavers was bypassed. The southeast that Obi won, Beavers was bypassed too. So Obi did not have case. There are no overvoting for Jagaban. We Nigerians went out willingly to cast our votes for him. If Obi and Atiku were together, their combined vote should have been the straw to break Jagaban Kame's back. But God of division and the spirit of it must be me enter them and confuse to drink them both, and they are now crying about looking for Yeye lost mandate in Nigeria. Okay guys, these are reactions from Nigerians. What's your take on this? Following the signing of the Electoral Act Amendment B 2023 into law, in 2022 into law, there has been debate regarding the method for proving incident of overvoting in an election. So guys, I'm dropping it here. Kindly share your